friends, it's Miss Ruth. Today I decided to choose an art activity, and for our art activity we are going to do a caterpillar pattern. All you will need is glue, you will need scissors, you will need a magazine or any type of colored paper that you choose, and then your colored paper. So what you're going to want to do is look through your magazine and find colors that you really like. And then you rip out that page and you are going to draw a shape. We are going to try to do shapes such as, do you remember our shapes? We're going to do squares, we're going to do triangles, and circles. Those are the three that I'm going to do today. So you're going to get a marker or a pen or pencil, and you're going to draw a square. So I am drawing a square on the paper. So here's my square. And then you're going to cut out your square so that you can glue it on your paper so that it can be for your caterpillar. Be careful, friends. Have your parents help you. So see? What shape is this, friends? Good job, a square. And you are going to want to do your other shapes. You can do the circle for the caterpillar's head. You can do any way that you want to choose. If you want to do the square as the head or the triangle as the head, that's okay, friends. We are going to have completely different caterpillars, and that's the great thing about it. So for my head, I'm going to do a circle. I have my circle all cut out, and I have my triangles, and I also have my squares. So you're going to get one of your circles, and I'm going to choose to do the circle for the head. So you put glue on the back of it, and then put it down on the paper. The next shape that I choose to do is a square. So I glue down my square, and now I'm going to get my triangle, put on glue, and now, friends, we are doing a pattern. So whichever one you choose first and second and third, you're going to repeat that. So we're going to do circle, square, and triangle. Next would be a circle. And a square. Do you remember what comes after? A triangle. Good job, friends. And now I'm gonna get my triangle. My triangle. Okay. Friends, what is my caterpillar missing? Is it missing eyes and legs? That's right, friends. We are gonna draw that on. So I'm gonna draw my caterpillar's face. And its little feet. Look, friends, meet my friend, the caterpillar. I hope you all my friends can try this at home. Look at the pattern. It's a circle, a square, a triangle, a circle, a square, a triangle. So I hope you learned about patterns, and I hope you have fun at home doing this. And so take care. Remember to wash those hands, and we'll see each other soon. Bye, friends.